And we are continuing to track a few storms out there tonight. We'll keep a few lingering showers into early tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow afternoon. Looks like it's going to be even more active than it was out there today. And here's why. I typically wouldn't show kind of this sciencey mumbo jumbo that I spent hours looking at on a daily basis, but I think it really helps to explain what we have going on here over the next couple of days. We have a large area of low pressure off to our west, and what that is basically going to do, it's going to suck up all of that Pacific moisture and slide it right into Colorado. So it's really going to set the stage for storms that will be capable of producing some very heavy rain. That's going to be the biggest threat as we head into tomorrow afternoon. With the threat for heavy rain, of course, we have a problem if any of those storms move over the burn scars, but just like we saw out there today, we can see flash flooding conditions even across areas that are not impacted by the burn scar. All we need is a heavy rain producing storm, and that's what we are forecasting for tomorrow afternoon. The storms will develop earlier tomorrow over the mountains first, and then shortly after that they'll start sliding toward the east. So as far as the interstate is concerned, between about 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock you'll start noticing those clouds really building, and then it won't be until the late afternoon through the evening hours when those storms are really going to start to get rolling. Those areas of yellow, even some orange, indicating the potential for strong to severe storms again tomorrow afternoon. So we will have to monitor that. Could get some hail with some of the stronger cells. And then watch what happens as we head into the night. We are going to track that first wave that moves out, but then another one moves through. So we'll be dealing with the storms not only through the afternoon, but into the early evening as well as the late evening hours. And we'll keep some storms around through the first part of the night tomorrow night also. The majority of the storms, though, will push off toward the east and will stay over the mountains. But just like we're tracking out there tonight, can't rule out a few thunderstorms sticking around as you're trying to fall asleep. Temperatures tomorrow will be cool again with more storms in the forecast. 70s and 80s are all we are expecting for highs, and we are not going to stop the storms as soon as we move past tomorrow. Check this out. We're keeping a good chance for storms in the forecast not only Tuesday, but again on Wednesday and again on Thursday. It's not until Friday when that low that we showed you at the beginning of this hit finally moves out of here. Once that does happen, though, temperatures are going to gradually warm up, and we'll start to see a few more days where we'll get more sunshine than rain. So as far as your Labor Day weekend is concerned, should be awfully nice to spend some time outside. For Pueblo tomorrow, your high temperature 82 degrees. We're going to keep that temperature dropping Wednesday and again on Thursday, but then over the weekend we get back into the 80s and 90s, and we'll keep those warm temperatures going into early next week. Canyon City, your high temperature tomorrow will be 80 degrees. 78 on Wednesday, 76 Thursday. Temperatures back in the 80s though Friday, and will stay in the mid to upper 80s through Sunday and into Monday. For Teller County, we got a soggy day out there today, and we're expecting another one tomorrow. A 40% chance for storms tomorrow and again on Wednesday. We drop it off to 30% on Thursday with temperatures in the 60s. Then on Friday, back into the 70s though, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So we are going to be very busy tomorrow and Wednesday and Thursday, but then we should start to see a bit of a break in the weather. But of course, with strong storms in the forecast, just like today, tomorrow we just ask that everybody stays vigilant. You never want to drive through any areas of standing water, and of course flash flooding, a big issue, and we'll be tracking that closely.
Some of those pictures we're seeing, it just it moves through one area. You see several inches of hail.
It's like a glacier or something.
Other areas just water. So yeah.
Yep.
Crazy. Thanks.
Thanks, Rachel. Well, hiking to 14,114 feet is a challenge.